wanna play with, like a touch me not.
So hello everyone, it's Harvey and I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a great time. Welcome to my channel, guys. I know there is some stories that have been going on YouTube, and I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys how I feel about the situation. So I was on YouTube the other day and I was watching some of the big YouTubers, and they were talking about YouTube having a new rule. You know, of course they always have those requirements and some changes and all that stuff, and they were talking about how from henceforth people who make a living from YouTube will be considered royalty payments for taxation, and then people that are not up to 1,000 subscribers, right, their videos can still be monetized. Not yet monetized, but the income or the ad revenues would go to YouTube and not you, the YouTuber or content creator. And I saw people, they're like, oh my god. At first, I must be frank with you guys, I was upset when I saw it.
And other forms of YouTube earnings, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and have accumulated 4,000 hours of watch time in a 12-month period.
I wish that
However, going forward, even if you have not met those requirements, ads will be playing on your YouTube videos. And this is a big deal for several reasons.
And then I took a step back and I was like, wait, have you guys noticed that most of the people who run YouTube are the big YouTubers? We have the Logan Paul, we have the PewDiePie. Whenever they do something, YouTube changes the rules, and you know, add more changes to the rules. Remember before, even if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, your videos could be monetized. And there was a time your videos had no ads. Then your videos could be monetized and with ad revenues. And then because of those things, that was it Logan Paul or PewDiePie, what then happened? YouTube then brought this new requirement. You have to have up to 1,000 subscribers, right, in order for your videos to be monetized, in order for you to join the YouTube partnership program, right? And I was like, the big YouTubers are the ones who keeps messing up this platform. And I took a step back. I was like, why was I upset? And then I thought about it, and then we started hearing videos how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, how to do this, how to get 4,000 watch time hours this minute. Watch this video. Suddenly they had that niche where, oh, this is how you can make your videos better, and this is how you can get to 1,000 subscribers, and this is how you can get to 10,000 subscribers. And guess who it benefited? It benefited these big YouTubers, honey. Let's be real.
Don't cry. I can't today.
Or am I just saying it? Check it. I think some people forget easily how this platform has been changing and what's always prompted these changes, right? And then I looked at it, I was like, okay, so now we have to watch these videos and struggle to make 1,000 subscribers. You guys, when the partnership program works, it never affected your income. And then I saw some of the big YouTubers now are like, oh my god, YouTube is now saying that when you make your income from YouTube, it's now considered royalty earnings, which means more taxation for them. And I was like, I should be upset? Please tell me why. And then one of the big YouTubers, I don't know his name, he was like, oh my god, that means if they now run these ads on videos or YouTube channels that have less than 1,000 subscribers, then we would have less ads on our videos. You see what I'm saying? So at the end, guess what? They still care about themselves only, but they act like they care about you. Because when I saw that segment, I was like, wait, so he's not upset that these videos, we, the small YouTubers, will have ads running on our videos. We will not make any money from it. YouTube will make the money and ads revenues. He's not upset that we will be working for free. He's upset that he'll be having less ads, because with us now having up to 1,000 subscribers, there are more ads to run on these other videos. But now that this ads, you know, will come onto these videos of ads, even if we don't make money from it, they will be having less ads. And that was what he was upset with. Is that not selfish? You see? So these big YouTubers are always angry with YouTube, but they're not angry. It's like they want to say something, but so YouTube has done a change now. So what can we do?
Oh my God.
So YouTube has done a change now. So what can we do? Okay, this is how it's gonna go. It's like they want to say something, but they're scared that YouTube will come after their channels, and then they now market it and package it and put it into our faces as the viewers and the smaller YouTubers. So we now become like, oh no, how dare it? How can YouTube make us work for free because we are not up to 1,000 subscribers? This is not fair. I'm like, huh? Yes, it's not fair. But did this big YouTuber tell you that they are still making money? They're only upset because they would have less ads on their videos. You did see that manipulation? They manipulate the situation into you, like, see, we are helping you, this is why we are doing this for you. You guys will not make any money, but there will be ads running on your videos. Meanwhile, the secret is that they are also upset that they will be having less ads on their videos because now the ads will be spread to all these other videos. See what I'm saying there?
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
And I looked at it, I was like, wait a minute. So at the end of the day, you're not looking out for us, the small YouTubers, actually. You're looking out for yourself at the end of the day, because now we are watching your videos to see, oh my God, we are now having more engagement on your video, talking about how we feel about the new YouTube requirements. At first, when I heard this, I was commenting like how, and I was like, I'm giving these people this engagement. And then I thought about it, and I wait. And then I saw the big YouTubers saying, oh, now we would have less ads on our videos. That was why he was upset. I was like, oh, this is why the big YouTubers are upset. They're upset that this time YouTube cheated on the big YouTubers, small YouTubers, medium YouTubers, all the YouTubers. But we, the small YouTubers, of course, we are the ones that always have it the worst. Hello? Honey, I've been a small YouTuber forever, so I know how this stuff works. I've started YouTube since 2008. Are you kidding me? I know how it works. And then if you use maybe 4 seconds of a song from the big YouTubers, copyright it. So we know how they are, so they should stop acting like they're angels. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys, the small YouTubers like us, like, we are no longer stupid. Like, we should not be stupid and flock after these big YouTubers who don't really care about us, but they act like they care about us. At the end of the day, they care about their, that is why they're upset. They're upset that because YouTube now is now like, okay, we are now like the interns, the non-paid paid interns, where we work for free until we get 1,000 subscribers.
I'm just saying. This ain't no allegedly.
But the big YouTubers now will now have some pay cuts through taxes in their income. It's so simple. I was like, why didn't I take a step back from the onset and think about it? And I realized when I made those comments about, being upset with the YouTube new system, it was at 4 a.m. in the morning, because I was doing like an all-night. I've been having this all-nighting lately, just hustling and working hard behind the scene. And that's why I was like, oh, that's why. But yeah, guys, please don't be fooled by these big YouTubers feeling that they are trying to help you. Really, they are not. I'm sorry. They are still looking out for themselves 98% of the time, and then 2% like, oh, if you guys fight, YouTube will change it, and then we would enjoy it because we are up there. YouTube did the partnership, it did not. They were being affected. YouTube did the more ads. They were the ones who enjoyed it. So hello, at the end of the day, let's put it this way: when you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, do you make any money from it? No. So if they want ads on it, would it still affect you? It is what it is. And yeah, at some point I was like, I don't know, maybe since I started the business, I go the ups, downs, go through all the struggle. It has really changed my perception. It made me, go from the caterpillar stage to the larva stage, girl. Because I went through it, I've been through it like that. honey. When you're paying $3,000 in rent every month, honey, you're working, every dollar you make is going into rent. You don't work so hard, honey. I have to be honest with you guys. I have to be. So anyway, I love you guys so much, and I just wanted to give you guys the hard truth. The real truth why these big YouTubers are upset with the new YouTube change is because they'll be having less revenues. Yeah, they'll be having more taxes off them because now it's now known as royalty payments, okay? And they'll have less ads compared to what they normally have. That is why they're upset. It's not because we, the small YouTubers, would have our videos and ads running on them and we don't get paid for them. It's not, that is not the real reason. And then at the end of the video, they're like, oh, if you want to get to 1,000 subscribers now, this is what you can do. Marketing 101. I'm like, bitch, really? I know you mean well, but at the end of the day, did you see what you just did there? Register for this, and now this is now. When you do this, your thumbnails will be fantastic and fabulous, and then people would come to your videos and watch them, okay? That is how you can get to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm like, oh, really? You really cared about us. Why don't you just give it to us for free? Because you know we are already working hard for YouTube, free of charge. Why don't you help us out?
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
So how are you helping? You're helping us by making us spend even more? And that is the fucking hard truth there. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video, but I had to give it to you guys, okay? Yes. I've been a small YouTuber for so long that I know these people, okay? I've been here and see them go from one to pum, you know. I'm like, wow, how did you get that? You know, it's just, it's guys, I want you guys to just do you and just enjoy the journey, so that way when you get to that point, you're like, wow, I've seen it all, you know, and you really appreciate it. Don't care about these big YouTubers manipulating us. They think we are fiddles that are dumb and stupid. We are fucking nuts. I'm sorry. We are nuts. We are nuts. Yes. From Salvador and DAWSON Studios, I just had to tell you guys the truth. Bye, guys.
'Cause I'm loving myself real good. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. In a way that you never could.